Join me as I put the new OM3 camera through its paces and see if those fresh features live up to the hype. The wait is finally over, and the OM3 camera has arrived with a host of exciting new features and a competitive price tag that's got everyone in the photography world talking. Have you ever found yourself frustrated with your current camera? Maybe the technology feels outdated, or it's just not giving you the results you want. I know I have. From struggling with poor low-light performance to dealing with clunky interfaces, there are so many limitations that can hold us back from taking our photography to the next level. And let's not forget about the lack of features. It's amazing how quickly we can outgrow our cameras and find ourselves wishing for something more. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, I think we can all agree that it's time for something new. The camera industry has a way of moving quickly, and it's easy to feel left behind. That's why I'm so excited to dive into the OM3 and explore what it has to offer. One of the biggest pain points for me has always been the lack of innovation. It feels like we've been stuck in a rut, with camera manufacturers playing it safe and not taking enough risks. But the OM3 is different. From what I've seen so far, it's clear that the team behind this camera has been listening to our feedback and has worked tirelessly to address our biggest concerns. Whether it's improved autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, or simply a more user-friendly interface, it's amazing to see a camera that's truly designed with the photographer in mind. Of course, the biggest question on everyone's mind is, does it live up to the hype? I'm excited to put the OM3 through its paces and see if it can deliver on its promises. From what I've seen so far, I have to say that I'm impressed. The new features are innovative, the design is sleek and modern, and the price point is competitive. But I want to know more. I want to see how it performs in real-world situations, how it handles in the field, and what kind of results it can produce. The first thing that caught my attention was the enhanced image stabilization. I've lost count of how many times I've ruined a shot because of camera shake or blur. It's frustrating, to say the least. But the OM3 promises to change that with its advanced stabilization system. And let me tell you, it delivers. I've been playing around with it, and the results are stunning. It's like having an extra pair of steady hands, even in the most challenging situations. Another area where the OM3 really shines is in low-light performance. We've all been there, stuck with a camera that struggles to produce decent results in anything less than perfect light. But the OM3 has an improved sensor that's capable of capturing stunning images even in the darkest conditions. And the best part? It's incredibly easy to use. The interface is intuitive, the menus are logical, and the whole thing just feels incredibly streamlined. It's clear that the team behind this camera has put a lot of thought into the user experience. But the standout feature for me has to be the advanced autofocus system. I've seen some demos of this in action, and it's truly mind-blowing. The speed, the accuracy, it's like having a personal assistant that takes care of all the hard work for you. And the best part? It's not just limited to stills, the autofocus works seamlessly in video mode as well. I've spoken to some photographers who've been using this camera for a while now, and the results they're getting are simply stunning. One of them told me that it's completely transformed the way they work, giving them the confidence to tackle projects they never would have attempted before. The OM3 is more than just a camera, it's a game changer. It's a statement of intent from the manufacturer, a promise that they're committed to innovation and to giving us the tools we need to take our photography to the next level. And let me tell you, it delivers. I've been using this camera for a while now, and I'm blown away by the results. From the stunning image quality to the advanced features and user-friendly interface, this camera has it all. So what do you think? Are you as excited about the OM3 as I am? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite camera features, or what you're looking for in a new camera. And don't forget to check out my previous video on camera accessories. I've got some great tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your OM3.